Put your hands on the dashboard.
I'm in fear for my life.
Put your hands on the dashboard.
Ma'am,
put your hands on the dashboard.
Keep your clothes on, ma'am. Stop doing that.
Stop. Ma'am, what are you doing? Put your clothes on.
Seatbelt violation turns into a full-on meltdown. Orlando PD starts this like a normal traffic stop. Stop signs, ID, basic compliance. Then it spirals into I'm a free man, lawful commands, and behavior so chaotic the officers are begging someone to get dressed. Stay with this.
How you doing, man? Officer Rodriguez with the Orlando Police Department. Your vehicle?
You got my license registration.
Oh, I remember this guy. Okay. You got to stop at stop signs, okay?
What stop sign did I ain't stop at?
Okay, I'll just write you citations for them. That's fine.
You can. Now I'm gonna take it to court.
That's fine. That's your right to do so. Okay. But it seems like the traffic laws don't apply to you.
No, ma'am. No, sir. I'm a minor. I don't know the law.
How old are you? 19?
I'm 18.
So you're not a minor. You're an adult.
No, but I don't want to talk to nobody.
Okay, we're not wearing a seatbelt, so I need your ID.
The seatbelt is broken.
Okay, it's still illegal, so you could have sat in the back. I need your ID. I need your ID. It's plain and simple. You have to be wearing a seatbelt in the front seat.
You can write me that.
Unfortunately, well, she would be getting a citation because she's an adult.
It's cut though. I don't know nothing.
So it's a safety issue. You could have sat in the back if the seatbelt's broken.
I didn't even know.
Okay, I don't. Well,
in the car.
okay, unfortunately, you could have switched to the back, so I need your ID. I need your ID. Are we going to keep going back and forth, or I have to take you to jail for resisting? It's that simple. I'm giving you a lawful command for you to give me your ID.
I'm not a part of this. It's not even my business.
It doesn't matter. You're not wearing a seatbelt in the front seat.
Write me the citation.
Ma'am, you're making this a lot harder.
Sir, it goes to her.
You're making this a lot harder than.
It's very simple.
I
understand.
I don't have nothing to do with this. Y'all
Listen to
make
me.
very
Listen
scared
to me.
right now.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Like, I have
I'm gonna make
nothing to
sense
do
of this all.
with this.
Okay.
You pull me over. You
But I don't
I get you. She is an occupant, and as an adult, she is
Write
a.
me that citation.
You're not gonna get it. She is. And if she doesn't give us her name, she's gonna get pulled out and arrested. Ma'am, I need you to identify yourself, okay?
Sir, okay, I'll explain it to both of you guys at the same time, okay? She's not wearing a seat. Are you gonna let me explain, or you keep talking over me? She's not wearing a seatbelt in the front seat.
She's not driving. Write me that citation.
Let him talk though. But listen, I didn't know that this was cut until I got in this
So
car.
I'm educating you, okay?
Okay.
The least you can do is give me your ID because it's required.
Okay, but how is it? I'm going to give you my ID, but I also want to know how is it required for me to give you my ID?
It's Florida State statute.
Videos like this before.
Okay, well that's the problem. What's that?
I've seen videos though. That's
My partner is going to be getting a Florida State statute booklet for traffic violations. It's very cut and clear. If you're in the front seat, you're not wearing a seatbelt, you can go. You get a ticket. You're required to identify yourself.
I'm going to get a ticket for even if I identify myself.
I'm not
going to get a ticket.
No, it's a ticketable offense, but we use our discretion to give you a ticket or not. But you have to identify yourself. Okay? Because if we're going to write a ticket for somebody.
This is the first major pivot point. The officer is laying out the practical reality of traffic enforcement. If they're going to write a citation to the front seat passenger for no seatbelt, they need a confirmed identity, name, and ID, because a ticket has to attach to an actual person. You can hear both sides talking past each other. The passenger is stuck on show me where it says I have to, while the officer is stuck on this is required. End of discussion. And when you hear phrases like lawful command and resisting, that's the warning light, because delays and repeated refusals can quickly turn a citation into a detention. What do you think? Is asking questions here smart, or is it accidentally pouring gasoline on the stop?
Right? We have to know who they are.
Don't hit my.
I need your. Both hands on the steering wheel. I'm gonna have you step out. Both of you are stepping out of this car. You first. You hear me? Nope. You're not doing whatever you want.
Man, I'm a free man. I'm a free man. I don't recognize
Turn to face the
your
car.
authority.
I don't give a what you recognize or you don't recognize.
I don't know what's going on. I'm in fear for my life right now. Not even lying.
Okay.
I'm in fear for my life right now.
Put your hands on the dashboard.
I'm in fear for my life.
Put your hands on the dashboard.
Ma'am,
put your hands on the dashboard.
Keep your clothes on, man. Stop doing that.
Stop, man. What are you doing? Put your clothes on. Put your clothes on.
Man, put your clothes on. Man, you're gonna get pulled out and we're gonna put your clothes on you.
Put your clothes on.
Stop doing that. Put your clothes on. Ma'am, put your clothes on.
No, why you grabbing him like that? No.
Stop.
Call my mommy. Call my mama. Call my mama.
Stop doing that, man. Stop. Man, what are you doing right now? What are you doing? Come on, put your clothes on. Grown female, put your clothes back, Sonny. Can we get a female 45, please? Put your clothes on. Come on, cover up. Stop. We're at OBT and
Cause y'all stopping him, y'all put him under the door. Y'all arrested him for nothing. We didn't do nothing.
Put your bra
We
on.
didn't do nothing.
Put your
We
arm
didn't
on.
do
Come on,
nothing.
put your arm
We
on.
didn't do nothing. We didn't do nothing.
Put your arm
Relax.
on,
We
please.
didn't do nothing.
Okay, let's do this.
Because y'all
Put your
trying to pull
jacket
me
on.
out of the car. We didn't even do nothing.
Put your zipper on.
No, it's hot,
We're gonna
sir.
cover you up because you felt the need to take off your clothes
Because
for no
y'all
reason.
is hot. And y'all trying to pull us out of the car. Ben was gonna take off my shirt. And y'all pull us out of the
not
car
gonna be covered
for
up.
nothing.
You're gonna be covered up. Detain.
Now we're in full damage control mode. Both hands on the wheel and step out of the car are officer safety and scene control moves. Especially once the driver starts with "I'm a free man and I don't recognize," which is basically announcing I'm not cooperating. But then the situation takes an extreme turn. Screaming, panic statements like "fear for my life," and someone removing clothing while officers are trying to keep the scene safe and maintain dignity. That's why you hear them calling for a female officer. Standard practice when a detainee is partially undressed. Here's the hard question. Did the officer's tone help calm this down, or did the back and forth energy make the panic worse?
That's it.
For what though?
Because you're failing to identify yourself.
I gave you my ID. He has my ID.
he have it?
Yes.
Okay. Then
That's what I'm saying. Why am I getting pulled out of the car? He has my
You're
stuff.
just detained.
We can
It's a
still
traffic
legally
stop.
take you out of the car.
Why though?
Stand there.
In Florida, we could ask any occupant of the legal step on that. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? What are you doing? Do you have cameras? Yeah, driver door.
It's so hot. I hate being outside like this.
You're doing the most right now.
Because I hate being outside like this. I don't like being stopped for no reason. I don't like being bothered. I have anxiety.
You didn't get stopped.
I don't like
He
being
did.
exactly so wrong.
You
I am
failed
being
to
stopped.
identify
How?
yourself. You failed
I
to
told him my name though, and I
identify
said I don't want to
yourself.
talk.
I was standing at the window. You failed to
I said
identify.
I don't want to talk.
Oh,
No, y'all
you
stopped
need to
him for his car.
identify yourself.
Why? I
because
never,
you're not wearing a
I never heard
seatbelt.
that.
You're not wearing
I
a
never
seatbelt.
heard that though. I never heard that. I had to identify myself.
Then we are the law enforcement officers. We educate people on that. We don't give tickets and arrest people for no
I
reason.
don't like talking to the police though. I don't like talking to.
Then all you
I
gotta
don't
do is
like this.
listen.
It's not me. I'm not the person.
All
y'all
you gotta
stop.
do is
I have
listen.
anxiety
That's
though.
it.
Like I don't
That
like
doesn't
this
have
being
anything to do
outside
with
in
it.
front of everybody.
That has nothing to do
Everybody,
with
this
it.
is ridiculous.
That has nothing
Like,
to do with it. You're throwing out excuses for no reason. That has
No,
nothing
I'm
to do
not.
with it. You could have gave us your name at the beginning. We would have left you in the car. He would have stayed in the car. He probably would have gotten a ticket or a verbal
But
warning, and
y'all
that's it.
already was finna take him out the car. And then after I already gave him my ID, when y'all was finna take him out the car, then y'all said take me out the car because he wasn't cooperating. I cooperated.
I stood at the door with my partner
when
for
he wasn't
at
cooperating,
least
you got
3 or
mad,
4 minutes,
though.
and I gave you
You got
multiple.
mad when he wasn't cooperating. You already was finna take me out the car, and I was cooperating with you at
No,
that
you were
point
not.
when I gave you my ID because you
It's
had
too late.
before exactly too late because you already
You're
he was
too late.
already not
You
cooperating.
did this to yourself.
Exactly. We always do it to ourselves. We know. If y'all kill me, I did it to myself too, right? If I pass out because I'm hot out here, I have asthma and I have bad anxiety. If I pass out, it's my fault too, right?
I have asthma as well.
Like, what the f? Leave me alone. Y'all stay messing with everybody's life. Can I call my mama, please?
Not at this moment.
But can you call my mom?
Not at this moment.
This is ridiculous. I don't like being stopped for no reason. Y'all stopped this car 50 times in 1 month. Why?
I don't
Y'all
know
want it? Y'all want to confiscate it? I'm confused. Right 50 times in 1 month. And I'm glad I never been in it. I swear to God, I've been in it twice. But bro, this is ridiculous. Y'all is sad as damn, I have really bad anxiety and y'all got me out here in the hot sun. I'm burning up. For nothing.
I'm telling you, I don't consent to any searches or seizures.
Damn.
I'm just letting you know.
Kurt, he doesn't consent to any searches and seizures. I got you. Stain, 1 hit. Judge, 1 hit. Sorry. Stain, 1 hit. Judge, 1 hit. Soto, 1 hit.
I'm burning. Like, I'm just burning up.
A walk. Judge, 1 walk. I know. Does it count as a base?
Stand up. We're gonna get you out of the heat.
It does count as a total base? Judge, 1 total base.
Where am I going?
We're gonna walk to this car.
Where am I going?
I'll explain it to you when we sit inside the car. Because you're hot, right? You want to get you AC?
Yeah.
I'll wait for Sarge. Okay, so it's we can kind of get some AC coming through here.
Yes.
If you want, you can have a seat real quick, but
Okay.
we're gonna keep the door open, okay?
Okay.
So here's the deal, okay? You're gonna get arrested for resisting without violence, okay?
Oh.
I gave you multiple cans for you to give me your ID, and you didn't give me your ID.
I gave you my ID, sir. I sat there. Get arrested.
I sat there multiple times, gave you commands.
But, and what else? What am I getting arrested for?
Resisting without violence. I just
That's
told you.
it?
Yes,
Really,
that's it.
sir?
Yes,
Bro,
that's it.
please, I can't. Please, I
Unfortunately-
did not pull away from you, though. I didn't do anything.
It doesn't need to be that. It isn't.
But I gave you my stuff.
It took way too long.
But
for you to
I
get
gave
yourself.
it to you within, 5 minutes? Because I was trying to figure out the situation.
I explained it to you multiple times and you kept denying.
Because I have anxiety. I'm trying to figure out what situation. Oh my God, is he going to jail?
I don't know.
Like, because he did his, that's what I'm saying. He did the same thing like us, and y'all stopped him. Excuse me, like, this is ridiculous. Like, can y'all call y'all sergeant, please?
She's coming.
Please, like,
She's coming.
I can't. Can y'all call my mama? Can you call my mama? Like, you resisting to call my mom? I've been asking you. That's my caregiver. I have mental health issues.
Okay.
I'm asking you, and I'm really not going to jail because I have to go
Stand
get
up.
a bakery at it.
Stand up.
Please.
You're gonna. My supervisor's here. She's gonna search real quick. Okay.
Yeah,
Face the car.
Can I talk to you, please?
Yes, ma'am.
He's arresting me for not giving him my ID, but it didn't take longer than 5 minutes. They stopped him for not stopping at the stop sign. I'm confused. I have anxiety and mental health issues. Like, I'm really confused about it. The police been in my life all my life, so I'm really having anxiety right now. He been asking me for my ID. I'm like, well, why did you ask me for my ID and y'all stopped him? You know what I'm saying? Trying to get an answer. He was not giving it to me, so eventually when they started being aggressive on him, pulling him out of the car, about to pull him out of the car, I gave it to him because I was scared. He telling me he arrested me for resisting arrest with violence or without?
Without violence.
Without violence, but how?
Okay. I'll explain it to you in a second. Do you have anything on
No.
you? No? Okay. I'm just going to
Roger, can you please call my mama because I don't understand this.
We'll explain it to you, okay?
Yes.
So just give me 1 second. I'm just going to check you real quick. Make sure you don't have anything on you. Do you have
Okay,
anything on you?
no, I
that
don't
should
have
fine?
nothing on me.
Okay. All right. No worries. Are you wearing a shirt right now or no?
No.
No shirt? Okay.
This is so aggravating. I really just want to go get some bakery at myself right now. I'm not feeling it right now. I'm not feeling it, Mel. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Please. Can you call my mom, please? Can you call my mama? Because they is taking me to jail for resisting arrest without violence, and I didn't do anything.
Watch her. I don't want to hurt you right now.
Roger, can you call my mom? Because they're taking me to jail for resisting arrest without violence, and I didn't do it. I'm sick of this. I'm so serious. I want to go to the bakery at myself. I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to myself. But plenty of times for nothing, but seriously things, and this is nothing.
Just have a seat real quick.
I'm going to myself.
I'll talk to you in a
Please,
second,
no,
okay?
I don't want to go to jail.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. Please talk to me before they take me. I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do nothing.
Okay, give me a second.
I gave him my ID. He has it right now. It's till this day. I didn't know. Please, no.
Can you give me a second? And then I'll talk to you again, okay? Just watch your feet, okay?
This incident begins as a traffic stop. stop sign allegations for the driver, and a seatbelt issue for the front seat passenger. But it escalates fast because the stop turns into a confrontation over identity and compliance. The passenger repeatedly questions why ID is required, the officers interpret the delay as non-compliance, and the encounter shifts into detention and arrest language, ultimately ending with charges stated in the transcript: resisting without violence and drug possession. The bigger takeaway is how quickly debate on the roadside can snowball into custody, especially once emotions spike and everyone starts talking over each other. Do you think this should have stayed a citation with clearer de-escalation, or was the escalation unavoidable once compliance broke down? If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.